Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to cook up a very simple breakfast today for my family. I went to the wet market this morning. I got some very fresh yellow noodle here, my daughter's favorite. Then I got 2 pieces of egg and some leftover roast pork and also char siu. I also managed to get some tauge and some garlic and also shallot. By the way, for those who want to know how I managed to see myself cooking, I have an iPad here. First of all, I'm just quickly going to heat up my roast pork, yeah, and also char siu. This will give you some enhanced flavor as well. Wow, this round, the roast pork I bought from the wet market is very nice, very crispy, very good quality. The Puchong wet market. No, first time I saw this store. And when you're doing this, you can actually manage to render out some pork fat. Yeah, that's going to further flavor your noodles as well. Ooh, already very fragrant. I can smell the 5 spice powder. Right, now that you start to see the pork fat has been rendered out, and you can actually take it out, set it aside, and we shall put in the shallot and also garlic. We saute this for a minute or two. We'll come back shortly. The moment you start seeing some shallot and also garlic started to brown, you push it aside. Then we can put in the egg. Give the egg a little bit seasoning, some light soy sauce here. A few dashes of white pepper. Then we can actually break the egg a bit. And I'm going to mix these two together. Let me scrape out the bottom. The char bits, yeah, are the best part. This is the time when you can actually add in the yellow noodles. You can quickly blanch, not to blanch, rinse it under water, that's it. No need to blanch. Give it a few stir. This is actually good for at least 3 person, yeah? 3 to 4 maybe. I think about maybe 400 grams. Alright, now that our noodles is actually flavored by the egg and also shallot and garlic oil. Next thing, you're going to tune down the fire to very low, the lowest fire here, as we are going to season it. First, I'm going to put in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. For those not interested, don't worry about it. You just use any chicken stock you have. Then I'm going to give it 1 round of light soy sauce. This is sweetened dark soy sauce. This is dark soy sauce for the color. Some salt. Few dashes of white pepper and the tauge. I don't mind adding in some oyster sauce as well. This is optional if you ask me. You can give it a little bit of water here just to ease the frying process. And now we are going to raise the heat to medium high. It's almost done actually. I still have some sambal with me, my homemade sambal. So I'll eat it together. Right, you can start seeing all the color started to come. Almost done. Now the thing about cooking yellow noodle is that you want to make it cook, but you don't want to cook it for too long. What happens if you cook it for too long? Then the alkali flavor will actually release. But this one, the one I bought actually doesn't have much alkali flavor. All right, almost there. Last but not least, my roast pork, everything. Oh, this is going to further flavor this nicely. Wow, super fragrant right now. Of course, if you don't have roast pork at home, you can use fish cake, yeah? If you don't have fish cake, you can just use tauge, the economy version, don't worry. Alright, it's basically done. Very fast. Simple, homemade breakfast for your whole family. Alright, so here's my very simple version of fried noodles or fried meat at home. I always like to mix a combination of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and also sweetened dark soy sauce. These three itself will give you very nice flavor. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.